Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Verasity VRA. Okay, so like you can see, VRA has Bitcoin pairing on KuCoin, which means that you can either deposit Bitcoin on your KuCoin account if you already own Bitcoin, or you can buy Bitcoin first and then trade that Bitcoin into VRA. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do both of those methods, and it's really easy and simple, just so you can just follow along. Okay. But the first step is obviously to sign up on KuCoin. Go to the description of this video and sign up now. I highly recommend using KuCoin because it's absolutely best in my opinion. Okay, but anyway, the first step is obviously to buy or deposit Bitcoin. So all you have to do is go to homepage and click buy crypto and click third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin with your credit card. Okay. And when you click USD, you can select the currency that you want to pay with, and after that you can just select how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and you're good to go. Okay, after that click buy now below. You can see the button there, buy now, and then you complete the purchase. And after that, when you go to your main wallet on KuCoin, the Bitcoin will show up right here. Okay, now if you already own Bitcoin, all you have to do is click deposit and search for your Bitcoin address, so here, and select your depositing address and just deposit Bitcoin on your KuCoin account. Okay, so now you should have some Bitcoin in your main wallet. You either bought it or you deposited it. Okay, so the next thing that you need to know is that KuCoin has two different wallets. So KuCoin has main wallet and trading wallet. So when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can withdraw it, but you can't trade it. Okay, and when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, you can't withdraw it, but you can trade it. Okay, so obviously we have to transfer that Bitcoin that we currently have in your main account to trading account. Okay, so we can trade that Bitcoin into VRA. Okay, so the transferring between your wallets is, first of all, it's free, instant, and easy. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your main wallet and click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for example, the Bitcoin that you currently have now, click that. After that, click transfer, and here you can see from main account to trading account. Okay, then select how much you want to transfer, and then just click confirm. Okay, so then the Bitcoin will transfer from your main account to trading account instantly, and it's free, and your Bitcoin will show up in your trading account. Okay, so now you can trade that Bitcoin into VRA. And by the way, if you want to transfer it back, all you have to do is click it again and click transfer and do the same thing. So now you can see from trading account to main account. Okay, so that's how you transfer between your own two KuCoin wallets, and it's free and easy and instant. Okay, but anyway, now you should have your Bitcoin in your trading account. Now we can finally trade that into VRA. So go to markets, search for VRA, and click VRA/BTC. Now after that, click buy, and here's the trading desk. Okay, so on the upper left corner you can see VRA/BTC. Okay, so the one on the left, VRA, is the cryptocurrency that you're currently buying, and the one on the right, BTC, is the cryptocurrency that you're selling. So you're now selling your Bitcoins that you either just bought or deposited and trading that into VRA. Okay, and in order to do that, all you have to do is check out the right side of my screen. So on the bottom you can see green numbers, and on the top you can see red numbers. So the green numbers are buying orders, so people are currently buying VRA tokens. Okay, you are also buying VRA tokens, so you don't have to look at the green numbers. So you have to look at the red numbers. So those are selling orders. So you're buying, so you obviously want to buy from somebody who's selling. Okay, and to get the best price, all you have to do is click the button red numbers. Okay, so that is the lowest that somebody is currently willing to sell their VRA tokens. Okay, so click the bottom one to get the best price. You will basically get more VRA tokens, and after that click amount and select here how much you want to buy. Okay, so you can type it in, or you can use these percents here. So when you click 50%, that means that you are selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into VRA. And if you want to sell all of your Bitcoins and trade it into VRA, all you have to do is click 100%. Okay, so after you have selected how much VRA you want to buy, all you have to do is just click buy VRA. After that, when you go to your assets and in your main wallet, your VRA will show up right here. Okay, so if you want to withdraw that VRA, all you have to do is click it and transfer it into your main wallet, and after that click withdraw and type in VRA. Like you can see, it's here. So here you can basically withdraw your VRA tokens, okay? And if you want to keep trading VRA tokens, all you have to do is keep it in your trading account, okay? So that's how it works. That's how easy it is, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It would help me a lot. Thank you so much. And if you have any problems with this, comment down below, because I'm here to help you, okay? So see you in the next videos.